Imagine this, you're behind the wheel of a car that feels like it was built to defy physics. The electric motors hum to life, a futuristic whir that sends shivers down your spine. You press the accelerator, and in an instant, you're pinned to your seat as the world blurs around you. This isn't just any car, this is the Rimac Nevera, a machine that redefines what an electric car can achieve. If cars had a personality, the Nevera would be the fearless, boundary-pushing pioneer, the one that thrives on speed, innovation, and sustainability. It's not just a car, it's a statement that says you don't just drive, you dominate. The Rimac Nevera isn't just an electric car, it's a legend. Since its debut, it has shattered records and set new benchmarks for what electric vehicles can achieve. It's the vehicle of choice for those who refuse to compromise, those who want the thrill of a hypercar without sacrificing the environmental benefits of electric power. But what makes the Nevera so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of speed, design, and innovation. First, let's talk about the top speed, because the Nevera isn't just fast, it's mind-blowingly fast. The Rimac Nevera has a top speed of 258 miles per hour, 412 kilometers per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world, electric or otherwise. To put that into perspective, the Nevera can outpace most supercars and even some hypercars, and it does it with zero emissions. It's not just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of automotive performance. But the Nevera isn't just about raw speed, it's also about precision. The car features a carbon fiber monocoque chassis that provides exceptional rigidity and lightweight construction, while the adaptive suspension system ensures that you can fine-tune the ride to suit your style and the road conditions. The carbon ceramic brakes offer incredible stopping power, giving you the confidence to push the limits. And with its advanced torque vectoring system, the Nevera delivers unparalleled handling and stability, even at extreme speeds. It's not just a car, it's a symphony of engineering. Think about the last time you saw a car that made your heart race. The Nevera is here to bring that feeling to life. With its sleek, aerodynamic design and futuristic styling, it's a car that demands attention wherever it goes. The design isn't just for show, every curve, every vent, every detail is there to enhance performance. The active aerodynamics aren't just a styling cue, they're there to reduce drag and improve stability at high speeds. Even the butterfly doors are specially designed to make a statement, combining form and function in perfect harmony. It's not just a car, it's a work of art. Now, let's talk about performance, because the Nevera isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as thrilling as it is unforgettable. The Nevera is powered by 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, delivering all-wheel drive and instant torque. The car features multiple driving modes, including range, comfort, sport, and track, allowing you to customize the driving experience to suit your needs. In track mode, the Nevera unleashes its full potential, delivering mind-bending acceleration and razor-sharp handling. It's not just a car, it's a track-ready hypercar. But what really sets the Nevera apart is its commitment to sustainability. This is a car that proves you don't have to sacrifice performance for environmental responsibility. With zero emissions and a focus on renewable energy, the Nevera represents the future of high-performance driving. It's not just a car, it's a symbol of what's possible when innovation meets ambition. So, what does the Rimac Nevera mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have speed and sustainability, power and precision, adrenaline and artistry. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and daring as you are. It's a car that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're tearing up the track, cruising down the highway, or turning heads at a car show, the Nevera is a car that makes every moment unforgettable. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of speed, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The Rimac Nevera isn't just a car, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: speed, sustainability, and soul. It's a car that doesn't just push limits, it shatters them. So, are you ready to experience the thrill of the Nevera? Because this isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.